The Kodiak Krusader is a powerful, rechargeable tactical flashlight designed for demanding outdoor use, emergency preparedness, and everyday carry. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak Krusader tactical flashlight, along with a USB-C charging cable. Using the included charging cable, the Krusader's lithium-ion battery can be fully recharged in approximately 5 hours, the progress of which can be observed by the charging indicator above the button. Built from aluminum, the Krusader features a tactical-grade design, is impact-resistant up to 1 meter, and carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating to help protect against rain and splashing water. Despite its rugged construction, the Krusader remains comfortable to carry and easy to operate in a variety of environments. The flashlight also features an adjustable focusing beam, allowing you to switch between a wide flood pattern for area illumination and a concentrated spot beam for long-distance visibility. Operation of the Krusader is simple yet secure. Double-press the power button to unlock the flashlight. The light turns on in the high brightness mode. From here, you can select your desired brightness mode or off. Once off, the power button blinks twice to confirm it's locked. The 3 standard modes range from 200 to 2000 lumens, all offering varying degrees of battery life. To activate turbo mode, hold the button while any light mode is active to transition. Turbo mode delivers an impressive 5000 lumens with a beam distance of up to 140 meters. Pressing the button while turbo mode is active will always turn off the device. And to protect the flashlight from excessive heat buildup, turbo mode automatically steps down after approximately 30 seconds of operation.